Hey YouTube, Zane Frank here. Today opening up another hobby box of 2018 Topps Allen Ginter. Get 3 hits per box. Let's go ahead and get started on it. Love Allen Ginter this year. It's a lot of really crazy stuff that people are getting out of these. I was very happy with my first box. Actually have a case of this coming, and this is part of the Search for Ohtani opening series, so hopefully we get it with the Ginter and I can quit worrying about searching for Ohtani this year. Okay, well, there's our box topper. Nice Clayton Kershaw. I think I get Kershaw box toppers every year in Ginter. Have to go look back and see. Okay, in my this box is from the same case that I got my my first box, and all the hits were on the very top. So I'm gonna set those 3 packs aside because in case you didn't know, Topps is pretty predictable about where they put hits, and there's what hit in that pack. So maybe they mix them up better. All right. So here's a Víctor Robles rookie, Ichiro. We got Mike Piazza, little mini. We got Barry Larkin and Michael Rappaport, and BJ Upton. Justin Upton, not BJ. All right, I'm gonna set that over there. I'm actually gonna set these aside too, just in case. I just don't want the hits to be all found in the first 2 minutes of the video. Okay, so we got Francisco Lindor, Andrelton Simmons, Bill James, Dansby Swanson, Ricky Henderson. There's a mini stamped insert. Rotan Beach, Sean Doolittle. Alright, next pack. We got Matt Carpenter, Paul Goldschmidt, Mookie Betts, Anthony Rendon. I like this little set, the Indigenous Heroes, Sacagawea. Vintage Cleats, Willie McCovey, Russell Iglesias. We got Ryan McMahon, rookie. Jonathan Gray, no, that's Sonny Gray. Brian Crawford, Joe Panic, Cole Hamels. We've got, ooh, I did not get any of these in my first box. This is a mini set. Folio of Fears, Aviophobia, and then they're like different types of fears. This is fear of flying in airplanes. Cozumel and Honus Wagner. I love the mini inserts in Ginter. Always have. Yohan Moncada, Ryan Zimmerman, Jordan Montgomery, Buster Posey, Adam Wainwright mini. There's a Honus Wagner, Luis Severino, Marlon Gonzalez. I'm trying to remember without looking. I got Manny Margot, Giancarlo Stanton, Benjamin. H. John Benjamin, a voice actor and comedian. The voice of Sterling Archer on Archer and Bob Belcher on Bob's Burgers. Okay. AJ Pollock. That is Tim Beckham mini. King Felix, Brian McCann, Jon Lester. Clayton Kershaw, Victor Caratini. Yeah. This guy's a 100-year-old guy with Pittsburgh. Usher, Phil Coyne, Taiwan Walker, Adam Duvall, mini. Max Kepler, Roger Clemens, and J.P. Crawford, a rookie. Get these moved out of the way. I need to get one of those big count boxes since I'm going to be opening up a case of this. Yoenis Cespedes, John Gray, Claire Smith, Tyler Glasnow, Spiranak, A&G back, Paige Spiranak, professional golfer. A pitch counter. That's cool. Masahiro Tanaka, Greg Bird. Got Rhys Hoskins rookie. That's cool. Method Man, Corey Kluber. I did not get any of these in my last box either. Flags of Lost Nations, Zaire. Aroldis Chapman, The Moon. Jose Barrios, Dallas Keuchel. Alright, next pack. Derek Jeter. J.D. Davis, rookie. Matt Kemp, Kyle Schwarber. Brandon Woodruff, rookie. George Springer, A&G back. Trump Bay, and Luke Weaver. Mike Trout, Matt Olson, Zach Granite, rookie. Steven Strasburg, Segura, Tom Segura, comedian. Ryan Sandberg, Yonder Alonso, and Lucas Sims, rookie. Well, that's got a weird marking across the front. That one has a little bit of it too. Kind of sucks. Card got kind of messed up. Jose Canseco, Don Mattingly, Greg Maddux, Jesse Winker, Ben LeCompte, long distance swimmer, Al Kaline, Jose Ramirez, Garrett Cooper, rookie. Michael Conforto, Adam Duvall, CC Sabathia, Andrew McCutcheon, Miguel Cabrera, mini, Bryce Harper, Justin Smoke, Dylan Betances. Brooks Robinson, Randy Johnson, Brian Anderson, rookie, Gregory Polanco, Sean Newcomb, mini, having an amazing year. That's an SP. That's not a rookie, just a mini. Baseball Donut, Mike Zunino, Luis Castillo. Alright, next pack. Jeff Bagwell, Nicky Delmonico, Fernando Rodney, Cole Calhoun, mini, black border, Max Kepler, Titan, Chris Davis, who's doing terrible this year, and Scott Bloomstein, poker champion. Salvador Perez, Tim Beckham, Jackie Bradley Jr., Starlin Castro, Brian Shaw, black border, a modern baseball, Yadier Molina, Dexter Fowler. Pedro Martínez, Adrian Beltre, Willie Calhoun, rookie, Corey Kluber, A&G back, mini, Mariano Rivera, Manny Machado, who just got traded to the Dodgers, Cryptocurrency, Walker Buehler rookie. Ian Happ, Max Scherzer, Christian Yelich, Randall Grichuk, Lucas Giolito, mini, Javier Báez, Mark McGuire, and Franklin Barreto. And last pack before we get to the possible hit packs. Oh, got a hit in this one. Ty Cobb, Archie Bradley, Lucas Sims rookie, Chipper Jones, there's Gurriel, got this mini that's not falling out there, AJ Pollock. Alright, now let's see what this hit is. Gary Sanchez. Ooh, that's cool. A framed mini relic. Very nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and open. Let's go ahead and see what this packet, or this one is right here first. This is hit number 2. Red Sox, Xander Bogaerts. That is a relic. Alright, so we're getting some baseball relics, which is always cool. Alright, let's see what's in this pack. Should still be having one more hit, and there's a hit here. That might be an auto. It's got a different color than the relic frame. So we got Chris Sale, Chipper Jones, that's Spiranak, golfer. Cameron Maben, Pudge Rodriguez. Let's get the mini out. That's that Claire Smith, A&G back. And Max Fried, rookie. Get the, there. Nice. Oh, these autos look great with the on-card auto. Max Fried. Sweet. So we got an auto. We got a framed auto and a framed mini relic. So it's a pretty good box. Oh, this is one of those home run cards, I bet. Zach Cozart, Noah Syndergaard, Sickler, Ryan Sickler, Robbie Ray mini, Steven Souza Jr., one of the home run deals. Rod Carew, Jackson Stevens rookie, Biz Marquee. He has autos in this. That would be unbelievable to get a Biz Marquee. Okay, so Javier Báez, Josh Bell, Paul Blackburn. Looks like we got a bonus hit. Nice. Hideki Matsui. Oh no, it's just a moon. Drawing in the batter's box, baseball superstition. I didn't know that was a superstition. Io, Reggie Jackson, and Clint Frazier, rookie. Xander Bogaerts, Yu Darvish, George Springer. Oh, nice. Gleyber Torres, rookie. Kevin Kiermaier. Todd Frazier, mini. That's an SP. Paradise Island, Jackie Robinson. And last pack. Edwin Encarnacion, Sonny Frederickson, Aaron Nola, Jones. Ryder Jones, that's an SP rookie. Corey Dickerson, mini. That's an SP. Triton, Albert Pujols, and Chris Taylor. All right. So another pretty good box there. Always good when you get an auto in a box. And plus we got a framed Gary Sanchez relic. That was cool. A full-size Xander Bogaerts relic. Max Fried on-card auto, and a Steven Souza Jr. home run challenge. All right, stay tuned for more videos.